Ciao. 打完之后，campus 了这里，这些路这个拉斯给切了。经常论天时地高的。我这次干这个。Zobaczmy. Đấy, không anh, tốt nhất là có bên nhà là
right here at the bottom of the blue viewing area, and we'll have
Out comes Shyla and Whisper, her mother. Now Shyla is just about a year old today. And every once in a while you'll see her nursing on her mother. But belugas like to stay right up underneath their mothers for protection. So that's why belugas are born dark gray in color. And over time they will replace this dark gray skin with white skin that helps them blend in with the sea ice. Now, belugas will nurse on their mothers, occasionally about 6 of survival for that baby. Nobody knows why that is.
Yeah, see how thick the glass is? Look at where it touches. Yeah, exactly. The glass is
Hello. Sea otter. Sea otter.
which is about the size of a postage stamp. On this other side, we have our Arctic seabirds. We do have 4 species in here. All of these birds are found in the northern hemisphere, and they all fly and are excellent swimmers. If you guys have any questions, please let us know. And just a reminder, everyone, please make sure that mask is...
Sea dragon. Sea dragon. Sea dragon.
Ya. 너무 진실이 좋은 Dragonito, 이거 쓴다.
Bilmiyorum, da şöyle yazarlar yani.
Ahora se dice corte vale.
Seahorse. Satama.
Seahorse godo.
저도 장모 쉬우실 등에 인자라. 나로 장모 쉬우세요. Hello.
Hello everyone and welcome to our sea otter and seabird habitats. On the side over here we do have our
Take black and white plumage. You may have spotted a juvenile penguin. Juvenile feathers are shades of gray with a lighter belly and chest. Penguins maintain their juvenile feathers for about a year after fledging. They won't leave their adult plumage. If you're curious about whether
Hello.
a penguin is male or female, just take a look at the identification beads on their flipper-like wings. If the bead closest to the chest is further, the bird is male. And if it's big, that's a female.
Like the ones you see here, make their homes along the coasts of South Africa and Namibia. Here at Georgia Aquarium, we keep their habitat at about 65 to 70 degrees Fahrenheit.
네.